Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a lens that's been making waves. The Canon RF 10-20mm F4L is STM. Let's see if this ultra-wide zoom lives up to the hype. First impressions count, and this lens doesn't disappoint. Despite its incredible capabilities, it maintains a surprisingly compact and lightweight design. The matte finish and sleek construction scream premium quality. But let's talk performance. The 10-20mm focal range on a full-frame camera is mind-blowing. It's like having a wide-angle masterpiece in the palm of your hand. Whether you're capturing sprawling landscapes or cramped interiors, this lens delivers stunning results. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: digital corrections. Yes, this lens relies on them, but in practical terms, it's a non-issue. Whether shooting JPEGs or RAW, the image quality remains top-notch. Sharpness is maintained from edge to edge, and distortion is well controlled. One thing to note is the convergence effect, especially at extreme angles. While it adds a creative touch, achieving perfectly straight lines may require some finesse. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? When it comes to autofocus, the STM actuators ensure fast and near-silent operation. Plus, with built-in optical stabilization, shaky footage becomes a thing of the past. Filmmakers take note, this lens is your new best friend. So, should you invest in the Canon RF 10-20mm F4L is STM? If you're a landscape enthusiast, architecture aficionado, or just someone who craves the widest possible perspective, then absolutely. Its unparalleled performance and versatility make it a worthy addition to any photographer's toolkit. And that wraps up our review of the Canon RF 10-20mm F4L is STM. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy shooting!